It's the German side that line up on the left of your picture against the Netherlands away to the right. And what an atmosphere here. And the first chance is going to go the Netherlands' way. Oh, what about that? The angle on that shot was ridiculous. Looking to extend their lead. Again, it's another counter-attack. Again, they come down the right side, and again they score! Germany are behind by 2. It's Germany 0, Netherlands 2. Tigges. Oh, one-on-one with the keeper, surely, there's 3! What on earth is going on out there? 8 minutes played. The Netherlands dominating. Hauke now sets off on one of his driving runs, this time down the left. Tucks it under his body, there's a deflection goal. One back for Alexander Otter and one back for Germany. It all came from that thrusting run from Tobias Hauke. Kellerman, round the back, shoots and scores! In on the near post. Stralkowski again, shoots and scores! Germany get one back through Stralkowski. His 12th goal of the tournament. And what an important goal that sees Germany enter back into this contest. Hauke might be able to do it here in open play. Squeezes another one past the goalkeeper. Oh, we're in for a thriller. What a climax to this game. Just one goal in the next 60 seconds will do it. Here's a chance with Korn on. Oh, they've done it! Would you believe it? The Germans get a 4th. It is Alexander Otter that gets his 2nd of the game and Germany's 4th. And this one goes to a shootout.